A present for Maddie from Santa. From Santa. Your hair?
Very nice.
Oh, those are pretty.
That's so your hair won't be jacked up anymore.
Look, oh, those are fun to put in your hair.
What do you say to Santa?
I'm going to get no one.
Okay, you gonna get another one?
So Santa's into hair products now?
No.
No? So he just knows. So he knows what a little 2-year-old needs, huh?
It's of me. Huh? What this? What this? For Maddie.
It's for Maddie, baby.
But that's for Maddie. But that's for Maddie.
I don't know. What is it?
Open it quick, quick. No, you don't have to open it quick.
Wow.
What is it, baby?
Nick.
What is it?
Nick.
You know what it is?
A toothbrush.
A toothbrush.
Awesome.
What colors are they? You gonna brush your teeth with it?
Nick.
That's a pretty color, huh? Green and purple?
That's nice that Santa cares about your teeth.
If I open this, another one.
Okay.
You open another one, baby.
That one.
That one's
No,
candy.
not that one. Not
Leave
yet.
that one down. I think that one's... Don't open that one. I think that one's candy. We'll have that later. Okay? I think it's a chocolate Santa. Turn it over. See it's Santa? He left you a chocolate Santa? Oh, that was nice of him.
Nick.
Yeah.
Okay, found that one.
Okay, find another one.
I found that one.
This looks like a fun one.
Yeah, it's garment.
You know what you can have? A chocolate gummy. Don't chew it. Just.
I don't know. Cheese.
Cheese.
No cheese, girl.
Are you opening? You don't want it? She doesn't want it.
Oh, you don't want it? What happened, baby? Don't get it in your hands. Here, hold it. Ah! Let me bring a paper towel.
It's sticky. Hang on. Daddy's gonna get a paper towel.